When you open CapCut, sometimes you will see that type of message like version update, and it's showing CapCut current version is 6.4 and there is new version like 6.5.4 beta test version 6, and this is the latest version and this is beta version. Sometimes CapCut may offer you like this. If you want to try to the new version, you can directly click here to restart the installation of new version. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this thing. To do this thing, at first we just need to click install now, and very shortly it will start downloading the beta version, which is 6.5.0 beta version, and it is like 1241 0.82 this megabyte, like almost 1 gigabyte of memory, like hard disk space. And once it is downloading finished, then here you will get the message like this, upgrading, and it will take some time. Don't close this thing. It will take some time, and once the upgrade is done, then you can start CapCut for your own project. Once the upgrade is done, you will find the restart button is there. We just need to click this restart button to restart the CapCut, to use the latest version of CapCut, and very shortly it will be started like this. And that's it. In this way we can easily upgrade our CapCut on our Mac computer.